Hi, Betsy Clark, your mindset coach for another So What Wednesday. And we're going to be talking about a variety of subjects the next few weeks. And what I wanted to talk about was being present. And I've had the joy of taking on a handful of new clients in the last 10 days or so. And as a coach, you kind of forget some of the basics in regards of why coaching is such a fun thing and why it can really transform people's lives. And so, what I'm pitching out to you to try the next few weeks is to be really present when you're talking to someone. Because these clients, I say, what's the takeaway from this phone call, whether it's a half hour or an hour? And they say, well, to have someone listen to me. I mean, you were really focused. And it's not me, it's about being intentional. Any one of us can do that. And one of the tips that I want to pass along is something called bracketing. My husband and I have gone through some challenges the last few weeks, and it would be easy for me to get distracted when I come into work, but I make such a commitment to bracket where I am as I'm about to pick up the phone call, and I know that the stuff that's going on in my life, it'll still be there in half an hour, but if I can bracket my personal stuff and be present for the person that I'm talking to, it really can make a transformational change for that person, to be listened to be heard, to be known. And I think that really matters. And so I guess my challenge to you the next few weeks is, it's summer, we have sort of those lazy days of later night conversations while the weather is so warm and we're out in the patio and maybe we're sitting in front of a bonfire or something like that while we're camping. But when you are with your significant other, your coworkers, the people in your community that matter, really be present and maybe bracket some of your personal stuff and give them your undivided attention. That's my so what for this week. And the best part for me is to read what your comments are. Did this tip work, or is it too hard to not be distracted? What's working, what's not working? And that's really where we learn from one another. The collaborative wisdom of women is so vitally important, and I think we can use that in our so what responses. So that's what motivates me to do these So What Wednesdays, is to get the dialogue going and to hear what's going on in your life. So again, Betsy Clark, your mindset coach. Remember, your mindset matters. Have a great week.